Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get new users in Temu. So the first thing you're gonna do to get new users on Temu app is go right here on your Temu app and go to You button right here. And from here, you need to go to the settings and you need to sign up your account right here. And then you can also go to country or region where you can change your location right here. Then once you've done, go back to the profile, the U button. And from here, click on earn credits and free gifts. And then from here, you can choose what rewards that you want to receive. For example, I want to choose this redeem cash and I want to tap this get now button, and you'll be directly from this page where you can actually earn the rewards and also to the person you invited and open and create an account on Temu app. So when you tap that refer friend right here, so tap this copy code. So as you can see here, your referral code. So all you need to do is copy that code. Then go to your notes right here. So as you can see, I have created a note, Temu discount, how to get discount on Temu, and giving some ways on how they get that reward. So I just put my code right here. And all you need to do to share this to your social media accounts, just take a screenshot and edit this one or crop this one. And from here, you just need to cut the excess image from here so we can post this one on our account. Now, once you've done, go to your social media account. So for example, I want to open my Instagram. And from here, I just want to create a post. So I just want to tap this plus icon at the bottom and you will create a story. So let's go to the upload or gallery and find that screenshot. And once you've done right here, all you need to do is just post this one on your Instagram story. And once they see this one, then they follow the instruction, they download the Temu app and create a account. They will now receive a reward or discount. And you can also earn more money and gift cards from Temu app. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.